Today's video is going to be installing the tongue box onto the front of the RangeRunner. So let's get started. Alright, just taking a crescent wrench, we're going to tighten these down. Alright, now we're going to tighten down the other side. Okay, we're going to put a little silicone on it. Hope you can see that. Just keep the water out. Of course it. Okay, and put some on the outside as well. Not the best. Okay, so what I've done so far is the U-bolts are mounted, tied down, ain't going anywhere. Put silicone around them. I put another self-tapping. I had to pre-drill, so I'm going to mount another bolt here to the frame, so that it fits nice and tightly down on the frame with no problem. And first thing we do is we're going to, like I did on the first one, pre-drill, do a little self-tapping, and then now we're going to okay, so first thing we're going to do is just take the screw and put it in. Actually, it's not the one I wanted. So the one I want was a self-tapping Phillips, which I know I have. Well, we'll try this one, see if it works. If not, try a slightly bigger, shorter one. Same? Yeah, it's the same. Okay, here we go. That's what I was afraid of. It's the self-tapping. And I thought I had more than one. Well, there's a big one. We'll try that. Let's try this one more time. Because I pre-drilled the hole. Should just go right on in. There. That's the hard part, doing this at an angle. Well, that didn't work. It actually broke the screw. Okay, let's try a slightly bigger one. See what this does. That's what I want. Nice. Okay. So now what we do, take it back out. Because there we go. Now, those films. Okay, now that's on there. And that's what it looks like from the front.